Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 57. One of the most daring figures in early American history is John Paul Jones, a naval commander during the American Revolutionary War. Known as the father of the American Navy, his exploits against British ships were legendary. In 1779, commanding the warship Bonhomme Richard, Jones faced off against the formidable British warship Serapis. Despite being outgunned, Jones refused to surrender, famously declaring, "I have not yet begun to fight." In a fierce battle, Jones cleverly maneuvered his ship and managed to board and capture the Serapis, even as his own vessel sank. This audacious victory by Jones was a significant morale booster for the American cause and showcased his fearless spirit and tactical brilliance.